You failed to kill me for the 22nd time, and the good thing Carter's VHS Corner saves me from evil Wubsy. So now, that should be an 84th count. One more until the background will be brown.
Leave JKCL alone. She ain't doing anything wrong.
Oh no, you don't, my dark phone. How dare you try to kill Pocoyo? You know she's not cyberbullying anyone. That's it. Take this. Alright, now I'll change the background to brown for you. That's more like it, and here's your 85th count. Good luck!
Good. Alright, prepare for the 80th action failure. You failed to kill me for the 23rd time, and the good thing Ruby saves me from his dark clone. And look here, this background is now brown, and for this, that should be an 85th count. 15 more until my mode is darkness.
Leave JKCL alone. She doesn't do anything wrong.
That's racist. Here's your 86 count.
Thanks for your help. You failed to explode me, and the good thing Robby saves me from his South Park counterpart. And right now, that should be an 86 count. 4 more until this background is gray.